Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use Activecampaign to create tags, so let's get right into it. Now, tags allow you to better sort several things on Activecampaign, whether it be your contacts or campaigns, and you can very easily create them through Activecampaign in just a few simple steps. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to search for tags here. And now if I search for tags in the search bar, as you can see, it takes us to contacts, and under manage, we have the tags option. Now you can do this in a different way. You can just go to contacts and you'll get to this menu anyway. But yeah, as you can see, once you get here, you'll see a list of all your tags. If it is empty, you won't see anything, of course. But once you're here, you can start creating tags. Now, as you can see, I already created one just to, well, test it out. But to create a new tag, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on add tag, and as you can see, you can take a quiz to learn how to best segment your contacts. However, that is not necessary, but then you can add your tags in one per line or separated by comma. So for example, if I add test 2 and click save, it's going to show up over here. Now if I do as it said previously and create test 3, test 4, test 5, test 6, if I click save now, it's going to create a lot of different ones. And as you can see, it for some reason didn't sort them correctly. So I'm just going to resort them by name. And I'm not sure exactly why. I'm pretty sure it's because of the spaces. Yeah, because this doesn't have a space. It's just sorting it immediately to the top or to the bottom, depending on which way it is. But essentially, that is pretty much all you need to do and all you need to know to create tags to best segment your contacts. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.